This is Deja with the Yarn Barn, and I'm going to teach you how to do a half double crochet. Once you've completed your chain, go 2 stitches away from your hook, and for the half double crochet, you will wrap around the hook first before you insert, and you'll insert into this chain stitch. Pull a loop through, and then pull through all 3 loops on your hook. So start by wrapping around the hook, insert, wrap around, pull through 1, wrap around, pull through 3.